Hello, and in this podcast I'm going to be showing you how to use the Coburg Senior High School Handbook 2011 Wiki. So the first thing you're going to need is the URL. So as you can see up here, the URL is http://wikis.cshs.vic.edu.au/groups/handbook 2011. Now, once you're here, you can see it has a very simple interface, and the main thing you need to know is anything in blue that's underlined is a link to a new page. So if you wanted to get more info on the Year 10 subjects, for example, you can click on this link and it's going to take you to the Year 10 subjects page where it has more in-depth information for you. And also down here you can view the individual subjects. So if you wanted to look at the body and mind page, you can click on this link, and as you can see, it's got a subject podcast as well as lots of other good information. Now, to play this podcast, you can just click the play icon in the middle and it's going to load it. Now, with this podcast, you can change the volume here by dragging that slider, and then clicking on the speaker will mute it and turn it up. You can pause the podcast at any point by clicking on the play icon, which turns into a pause icon. You can also use this slider to drag forward and backwards in the podcast if you want to repeat something. And if you want to view full screen, you can click on this icon here. Now, as you can see, it's taken the podcast full screen and I can resume playing it. Now, to get back to the wiki, just come over here and click on the X. So, that's how to play the podcast. Now, if you want to get back to the homepage of the handbook, you have to come up to the left-hand corner here and click on the Handbook 2011 link. So, by clicking on that on any page, it's going to take you back to the homepage. So here we can now go into VCE subjects, and you can start to get more information about them in the same way. You can click on geography and you can view all the information, and then to get back to the home page, simply click on the Handbook 2011 icon at the top of the screen. So that's how easy it is to find and navigate the Handbook 2011 wiki. Hope this has helped and that you find what you're looking for.